watching complete my video and subscribe my channel.
Alright, let me ask you something real quick. When was the last time you saw a $100,000 vehicle sitting on a dealer lot with a price tag of just 10 grand? Because I'm not talking about some beat up, rusted out junker that belongs in a scrapyard. I'm talking about a brand new, fully electric Rivian cargo van. The same exact vehicle that Amazon pays top dollar for. The same one you see pulling up to your front door delivering packages every single day. And I bought one for $10,500 out the door. Now, before you call me crazy or say this is clickbait, stick with me, because everything you're about to see in this video is 100% real, documented, and repeatable. This isn't some once-in-a-lifetime lottery win. This is what happens when you know something the dealer doesn't. Or more accurately, when you know something the dealer is too lazy to find out themselves. See, dealers make their money on volume and speed. They don't have time to investigate every vehicle that comes through their lot. So when something shows up that looks complicated, something that doesn't start, something with a warning light, something labeled as is, they don't dig deeper. They just slash the price and move on. And that right there, that's your window. That's where smart buyers like you and me walk in and turn their problem into our profit. My name is on this channel for a reason, Elite Auto Reviews, because we don't just review cars, we find the deals that most people completely overlook. So if you're ready to learn exactly how I pulled this off, hit that subscribe button and let's get into it.
Picture this, it's a regular Tuesday evening, and I'm doing what I always do, scrolling through auction listings, dealer websites, Facebook Marketplace, you name it. Most nights it's the same story, overpriced vehicles, bad deals, nothing worth my time. But then something catches my eye. A 2023 Rivian EDV 700 sitting on a dealer lot, listed for under $10,000. Now, if you know anything about Rivian, you know that number makes absolutely zero sense. These vans retail for anywhere between $80,000 and $110,000 brand new. Fleet buyers, logistics companies, major corporations, they line up to get their hands on these things. So why is this one sitting on a lot in the middle of America with a price tag that looks like a typo? I zoomed in on the listing photos. The van looked clean, no visible body damage, no broken windows, tires looked decent. The only red flag was a single line in the description that said, "Vehicle does not start, battery issue, sold as is." That's it, no other details, no diagnostic report, no explanation, just battery issue. And here's what separates people who find deals like this from people who scroll right past them. I didn't panic at those two words. I got curious. Because in the EV world, battery issue could mean one of 100 different things, ranging from catastrophic and expensive, all the way down to a $20 sensor glitch. The dealer didn't know which one it was, and honestly, that's exactly what I was counting on. Welcome to Elite Auto Reviews, where we turn question marks into profit margins.
That little paper tag hanging off the key, that's where the whole story lives. 4 words. Dead battery, sold as is. You'd be amazed how much power those 4 words have over the average car buyer. The moment most people read as is, their brain sends one signal: run. And I completely understand why. Nobody wants to spend their hard-earned money on something that might turn into a money pit. That fear is real, and dealers know it. In fact, they count on it. When a vehicle comes in that they can't easily diagnose or repair, slapping an as-is label on it is the fastest way to limit their liability and still move the unit off the lot. But here's what they don't tell you, and what most buyers never bother to find out. As is doesn't always mean destroyed. Sometimes it just means uninvestigated. There's a massive difference between a vehicle that's broken beyond repair and a vehicle that nobody took the time to actually look at properly. This Rivian, it fell into that second category. The dealer received it from a fleet return, saw that it wouldn't start, assumed the worst, and priced it at a fraction of its value just to get it gone. They weren't trying to scam anyone. They just didn't know, and lack of knowledge, whether it's the dealers or the buyers, always costs somebody money. In this case, their lack of knowledge saved me close to $90,000. At Elite Auto Reviews, we teach you how to read between the lines of every listing, every tag, and every as-is sticker, because the real deal is always hiding somewhere most buyers are too scared to look.
Yeah, turns out they were bluffing. We got the keys.
This is the moment everything either falls apart or comes together. The phone call. A lot of people ask me, what's the secret to negotiating a deal like this? And honestly, the answer isn't some magic script or high-pressure sales tactic. The secret is simply knowing more than the person on the other side of the phone. When I called that dealership, I wasn't nervous, I wasn't desperate, I was calm, prepared, and I had already done my homework. I knew what the van was worth. I knew what the most common failure points were on this model, and most importantly, I knew what questions to ask that would reveal exactly how much or how little the dealer actually understood about the vehicle they were selling. I asked them directly, has anyone run a full diagnostic on the high-voltage battery pack? Have you checked the 12-volt auxiliary system? Do you have any codes pulled from the OBD port? The guy on the other end paused, and in that pause, I heard everything I needed to hear. He said, and I quote, "We don't really have the equipment for all that." Right there, I knew. They had no idea what was actually wrong with this van. They were selling fear and assumption, not facts. So I made my offer, $10,500, cash, pickup within 48 hours. They pushed back. I held firm. 20 minutes later, we had a deal. This is what Elite Auto Reviews is built on, giving you the knowledge, the confidence, and the exact language you need to walk into any dealership in America and negotiate from a position of strength, not desperation. This is the moment of truth, the diagnostic scan. After I finalized the deal and had the van towed to my trusted EV mechanic, this was the part I'd been waiting for. And look, I want to be completely honest with you. Even with all my research, even with everything I suspected going in, there's always a moment of uncertainty when you're dealing with an as-is vehicle. That's just the reality. You can be 90% sure, but that other 10% keeps you on your toes until the scanner tells the real story. My mechanic plugged in the diagnostic tool, and within about 5 minutes, he came walking back out of the shop with a look on his face that I'll never forget. It wasn't panic. It wasn't bad news. It was that quiet, satisfied smile of a professional who just confirmed exactly what he expected to find. The screen read, "No major faults detected on the high-voltage traction pack. 0. The big battery, the one that would have cost $30,000 to $50,000 to replace, was completely fine. What the system did flag was a total failure on the 12-volt auxiliary battery, the small supplemental battery that every electric vehicle uses to power its onboard computers, door systems, and electronics. When that small battery dies completely, the entire vehicle goes into a protective shutdown. It won't start, it won't charge, it looks completely dead. But it isn't. It just needs a $200 part. At Elite Auto Reviews, this is exactly why we always say, never judge an EV by its symptoms alone. Get the data first. The data will always tell you the truth. $220. That's it. I want you to really let that number sink in for a second. A vehicle with a sticker price of over $100,000. A vehicle that a major corporation like Amazon pays full retail to put into their delivery fleet was sitting on a dealer lot, unsold, unwanted, labeled as broken and worthless because of a $220 battery. Not a catastrophic structural failure, not a totaled frame, not a blown motor or a corrupted software system. A battery that you can buy at your local auto parts store or order online with next-day shipping fixed the entire problem. Now here's where it gets even more interesting. The 12-volt auxiliary battery is one of the most commonly overlooked maintenance items on electric vehicles. A lot of EV owners don't even realize their car has one because they're so focused on the big battery pack that they forget about this small but absolutely critical component. When it fails, and it does fail, just like any other battery, the results can look terrifying if you don't know what you're looking at. Screens go dark, the car won't respond, nothing works. Dealers who aren't EV specialized see this and immediately assume the worst. They write it off, they discount it, they label it as is and hope someone takes it off their hands. And that someone was me. Total investment, $10,720. Current market resale value, between $67,000 and $74,000. That's not a deal, that's a masterclass. And here at Elite Auto Reviews, we bring you exactly these kinds of masterclasses every single week. There is no feeling in the world quite like watching a $100,000 vehicle come back to life. Knowing that you own it, knowing what you paid for it, and knowing that every single person who walked past it on that dealer lot left money on the table that ended up in your pocket. When my mechanic finished swapping the auxiliary battery and reset the onboard system, we both stepped back and watched the dashboard light up. And I mean light up. Every screen, every indicator, every system came online clean and green. Full battery range showing on the traction pack, 0 warning lights, 0 error codes, climate system online, cameras functional. every single feature that Rivian engineered into this van was working exactly the way it was designed to work on day one. This wasn't a salvage rebuild. This wasn't a patch job. This was a fully functional, road-ready, fleet-grade electric vehicle that had been sitting on a lot for weeks because nobody took 20 minutes to properly diagnose it. The key turned, or in this case, the button was pressed, and it started up like it just rolled off the assembly line. My mechanic looked at me and said, "You got lucky." And I told him what I always say. It's not luck when you know what you're looking for. It's preparation meeting opportunity. That's the entire foundation of what we do at Elite Auto Reviews. We prepare you, we educate you, we show you exactly what to look for so that when opportunity shows up on a dealer lot with an as-is sticker, you're the one who's ready to act.
Let's talk numbers, because at the end of the day, this is what it's really all about. $100,000 crossed out. $10,500 circled in green. That's not a discount. That's not a sale. That's a complete market inefficiency that I was able to exploit because I had the right knowledge at the right time. And before anyone in the comments says this was just dumb luck or a one-time fluke, let me break down exactly why deals like this exist and why they will keep existing as long as electric vehicles are on the road. The EV market is still relatively new. A huge percentage of dealerships across the United States are not properly equipped or trained to diagnose and repair electric vehicles. When an EV comes in with an issue, especially a fleet return or an auction unit, many dealers simply don't have the tools or the expertise to evaluate it correctly. So they do what's easiest. They write it off, they discount it aggressively, and they move on. That creates a gap between what something is actually worth and what a dealer thinks it's worth based on incomplete information. And that gap is exactly where buyers like you can operate. Now combine that with the fact that EVs are getting more and more common in fleet operations across America. Amazon, FedEx, Walmart, UPS, all of these companies run massive EV fleets. When units cycle out, they go somewhere. And a lot of times they end up exactly where this Rivian ended up, on a lot, under-evaluated, underpriced, waiting for someone smart enough to ask the right questions. At Elite Auto Reviews, we show you how to be that person every single time.
We are proud to offer this stunning Rivian. As you can see, it's in immaculate condition and available now for $70,000.
So that's the full story. A $100,000 Rivian van, a dealer who didn't do their homework, a $200 fix, and a buyer who walked away with one of the greatest automotive deals in recent memory. But here's the thing. This isn't the end of the story. This is just one chapter in what we do here at Elite Auto Reviews every single week. Because deals like this aren't as rare as you think. They're happening right now on dealer lots across America, in auction houses, on marketplace listings, in fleet sales and corporate disposals. Vehicles that are priced wrong because the seller didn't know enough or didn't care enough to find out what they actually had. And every single one of those deals is an opportunity for someone with the right knowledge to step in and win big. That's exactly why this channel exists. We're not here to just show you pretty cars and talk specs. We are here to make you a smarter, more confident, more strategic buyer in the American automotive market. Whether you're looking for your next daily driver, building a small fleet, or trying to flip vehicles for profit, the education we provide here can change your financial life. So if today's video added value to you, and I believe it did, here's what I need you to do right now. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, share this video with someone who needs to hear this story, and drop a comment below. Tell me what vehicle you're hunting for, and let's talk strategy together. This is Elite Auto Reviews. We find the deals, we break down the numbers, and we give you everything you need to win. See you in the next one.